Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, August 21st. Rather nice weather pattern continues here for much of the eastern part of the country. Comfortable temperatures, no extreme heat in sight. Very little, if any, rainfall over the next 48 hours. There can be an isolated shower or thunderstorm this afternoon and tomorrow afternoon in the Mid-Atlantic region. For the most part, the next couple of days will be rain-free and comfortably warm. High pressure will gradually build into New England over the next few days, intensifying, and that'll control the weather scene right through the upcoming weekend with mainly dry and comfortable conditions here in much of the eastern part of the country. Probably the biggest weather story of the day is a tropical depression that has formed in the Atlantic. It very well could become Tropical Storm Isaac over the next several hours as intensification is occurring. Here's the very latest GOES visible satellite image from the Penn State Ewald site. Quite a nice looking spiral associated with this. That generally indicates it's a rather healthy system, and with some intensification. It's now approaching the Lesser Antilles island chain right here. This is the Caribbean Sea just to the west there, and the track is generally westward, and that should take it somewhere over the Lesser Antilles in the next couple of days, and then towards the island of Hispaniola with some mountains on that particular island chain. So it'll be quite crucial to see if it actually goes over Haiti and the Dominican Republic or just to the south there, but ultimately it heads in this direction, probably towards Cuba, and then maybe even right towards South Florida. So a lot will depend on exactly what the mountains do over these islands, Cuba and as well as Haiti and Dominican Republic, whether or not this storm weakens or not. Nonetheless, all eyes in South Florida should be on what will become Tropical Storm and ultimately Hurricane Isaac over the next few days. Here's a close-up of Tropical Depression number 9. Again, very healthy looking. It very likely will become named Isaac today as a tropical storm and could very well become Hurricane Isaac within a few days. The timetable for, let's say, anywhere from Cuba to South Florida is late in the weekend or early next week, Sunday, Monday time frame, so we'll continue to monitor this over the next several days. Well, getting back to the States with the conventional U.S. surface map, not a heck of a lot going on here. That frontal system still exists along the southeast coast, but the main weather player here is high pressure over the Midwest, over the Northeast, and this generally consolidates into one huge high over New England over the latter part of the week, and that'll just keep basically dry and pleasantly warm conditions throughout much of the eastern part of the country. No extreme heat is in sight. Well, here's an infrared satellite loop of the U.S., and again, it shows how widespread this particular high-pressure system here is over the country, with all these clear skies, basically from just west of the East Coast all the way to the Rockies. High pressure is dominating the scene, and that will continue to dominate the scene with very nice conditions for this time of the year for much of the country, not only over the next couple of days, but it looks like right through the upcoming weekend. So that's it for now. We'll continue to monitor the development of the new Tropical Depression number 9 that should become Isaac and very well could become Hurricane Isaac over the next several days. That's it for now for the SIweather.com. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.